Hi, my friend. We're going to be doing Are You Lonesome tonight. This is a great tune. For the piano, we're going to be playing in the key of G. G major is G major. A minor. Remember, G major has one sharp. That sharp is F sharp. So we're going to be playing B, D, and F sharp as a B minor. C major. We're going to have a D major. Remember, we must include that F sharp. E minor is going to be our minor 6, relative minor, shares the key with G. And then F sharp diminished has a 1, flat 3, flat 5. And then back to G. For our melody, we're going to have a B, D, G, F sharp, G, F sharp, B, D, F sharp, E, F sharp, B, B, D, C, G, F sharp, G, F sharp, C, D, F sharp, E, F sharp, E, C, D. We're going to have a C, D, E, G, F sharp, D, B. Then we're going to be playing D, watch for the change, F natural, and then E, D, G, and we're going to be playing E, G, D, C, B, C, again E, we're going to play our F sharp because it's gone back, remember accidentals only change it for that measure and then it reverts back. So we have E, F sharp, G, F sharp, E, A, F sharp, A, E, D, C sharp, D, B, D, G, F sharp, G, F sharp. Move your hand over from your ring finger to your thumb so you can play a augmented G. So we have G, G sharp, B, A, B, A, and then leading from our D sharp, let your finger flop off onto here. You could also use your thumb, but I suggest your first finger because most scales are done either with the second finger or first finger. So when we do our D sharp, let it just flippity flop right up. D sharp, E, G, F sharp, E, F sharp, under to our G, A, G. Now this might alter when you're playing the full chords, but behind it you've got 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1. You could have Are You Lonesome Tonight? Are you sorry? Are you sorry we drifted apart? Does your memory stray to a bright summer day? Kissed you and I called you sweetheart. Do the chairs in your parlor seem empty and bare? Do you gaze at your doorstep and picture me there? Is your heart filled with pain? Shall I come back? Tell me, dear, are you lonesome tonight? It's a very pretty song. Those are the chord pro. Now, most of that I was doing was played in a first or en route position. G major, yeah, yeah. Then our E7. You could have also chose to put this over on the top right here. I'm sorry, wrong note. Play your E here, which would mean you would just play a cluster, hold these two down, and then these two. It's a very cool way to play your E dominant, and then it allows you to play your melody a little bit more efficiently. And when it goes from your E dominant, it goes directly into your A, which has this kind of feeling. You can do your B diminished and do a tritone substitution, or do your B flat diminished back into an A. Either way, you don't need to spice or jazz it up if you're not at that stage yet. Otherwise, try and go super slow holding out those chords, maybe even like your inversion here, and play your first note of your melody with your left hand. Are you lonesome tonight? Are you lonely tonight? Are you sorry we drifted apart? Try for those notes. When you change your chord, it should feel good. Go slow enough that you're able to see that your D major is right here. If want, again, you can put your A down here on the lower notes and still play your D and your F sharp. Remember when we go through here, what a groovy tune. I hope you really enjoyed this today. If you did, thumbs up, put something cool in the comment section. Tell me how you played, what key you do it in, what's your favorite part. Aloha.